Thank you so much for joining. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. So, hi, this side, my name is, and I have been a ServiceNow developer from the past 3 years. And I have I have been in the ITSM module, and I have touched on incident problem change managements, and also I have worked on many catalog items as well. And during the
Okay.
creation of those catalog items, I could able to know about the workflows and their automations, flow designer, and I could able to integrate with the other data sources as well through integrations, and used SLAs and ACLs as well. And recently, from the past 2 months, we have been working on the HRSD module also.
Okay. What are your roles and responsibilities in HRST module?
Sir, as I said, from the past 2 months, we have been.
Yeah.
So, my technical lead will be the one who's taking the initiative, and he assigns me some many tasks like creating any tables on the HRSD, HR user criterias, and we create. Recently, we have update for this. I'm
Mm-hmm.
not sure, but as per his guidance, I'm going forward.
Okay. So, do you know what is HRST? What are the uses of HRST? Benefits.
Yes, sir. As we
Please tell.
know, without the HRSD module, it will be practical. Like, suppose if an employee wants to make a leave, so he has to send a mail to the HR, and HR has to reply back, and HR has to verify whether if the employee has genuine reason or not. But through this module, it will be like automated process where everything will be defined through templates or tables. So with that, it will be a holistic approach so that HR and between the HR and the user, a seamless process will be going through without any
Okay.
hurdles.
Okay. Uh, Great. What is your last project apart from HRST?
Sir, as I mentioned, there is an ongoing project. I have been in the same project for the past 3 years. It is a
Okay.
multinational company.
Mm-hmm.
So in that project, we have to first we have to through the integration we have to retract the users through our data sources. Uh, and integrate with our present sys user table.
So, why?
Sir, as I mentioned, it's a multinational company, and they have provided the project to our company where whatever the services that we have to give, like the users, there any I can't able to explain clearly, but uh, like whatever the users are facing, whatever the company is facing any issues regarding their services.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it is a product-based company. So
Okay.
if there is any product issues coming from the user's end or from the customer's end, then we get to then they create the incidents and we get to resolve them.
Okay. Okay. No problem. You configured catalog items.
Right, sir.
So tell me one of the, complex catalog item you have created.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So in the my last recent project, we have to create a type of catalog item where the users along with their customer base, we
Mm-hmm.
have to uh, catch. So, in the way, we get to know about only the user details and everything, but not about their customer bases. So, we have to create other tables as well to know about the each user's customer base, and we have to extract all the data from users to customer data and aligning with the names as well. So, it's a very complex thing that I can't able to explain you through my verbal manner.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Tell me what is LDAP?
So LDAP is mainly stands for lightweight database automated. Sorry, I can't remember the abbreviation. So through
Mm-hmm.
LDAP is something where we can through the LDAP, especially in my organization, through LDAP we are retrieving the users. So as I said, the usernames and email address, the computer name IDs. So through directories, we are optimizing the searching the database request, and we get the username from the database, and we create a staging table from our side, and assign that staging table to import set and then to transform maps.
Okay. Apart from ITSM, any other module you have worked on?
Yes, sir. As I mentioned, HRSD module,
Yeah,
I have
apart
worked
from
on.
these two.
No, sir. I have only knowledge on these two.
Okay. So what is the importance of CMDB in HR in ITSM?
Sir, CMDB is all about configuring the assets in the database.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a separate team in our organization, sir, which deals with the CMDB. So I'm less aware of it.
Okay. You know what is a CI?
Yes, sir. Configuration item, right?
Yeah, give me one example of CI.
So CI is like if suppose, especially in our project, the as I said, it is a product-based company. That
Mm-hmm.
company is building roads and buildings.
Okay.
So for each directory, we create a configuration item, sir. Like
Which directory?
we
What type
create
of
a
directory?
yeah, I'm not able to explain clearly. For
Okay.
assets, like sir, it's all about dealing with assets, sir. For each asset, we create a configuration item.
Are you sure?
No, sir, I'm not sure. I'm not aware
These
of
are the
it.
basic things, okay? You should know what is an asset, what is a CI.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay,
so
sir.
work on it.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. What is a transform map?
Yes, sir. Usually, we use the transform maps whenever we are extracting the data from other sources. So, especially in transform maps, we link it with the import sets, and the data that is coming through the in the import sets, we with the help of transform maps, it is like a bridge between the import set and the end target table. So, through the transform maps, there is a special field called coalesce. Through that field, we can
Mm-hmm.
able to know if the incoming data, whether it is a duplicate data or the new data. So through the coalesce field on a particular sysID, say a particular unique field, by matching the coalesce field, through that we can able to map uh, our the incoming data to our sys user data.
Okay. Let's suppose I am moving data into my system using transform maps. Okay.
Okay.
And I see the data is not coming. So what
Okay.
should be your steps to, investigate, to troubleshoot this issue? What you will do, what you will check? Tell me something.
Yes, sir. So from the especially from the source table, we'll check if there is a proper connection through our to our instance and the source instance, and if the proper connection is established, then in the staging table where we provide for our privacy matters, we provide a staging table for them, and as you know, the data into the transform map has to come from the import set, right, as well. So in the import sets, we could in the import sets we create a
Yes.
data policies for extracting if there is a particular data policy working or not properly. We'll cross verify all those things, and
Mm-hmm.
especially in the transform script, transform map, the execution order. We'll check the execution order as well.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if we talk about execution order, which will run first? Client script, UI
Sir,
policy, or
yeah.
business rule? Among these three, which will run first?
Sir, in the transform, as
No,
there
no,
is a
not in
execution.
transform map. Just forget
Okay,
transform map.
okay, sir.
In general, if we talk about client script, UI policy, and business rule,
Okay.
out of these three, which will run first?
Sir, first the client script runs,
Okay.
then the UI policy, then after the UI policy, the business rules.
Okay. Okay. Have you created any email notification?
Yes, sir. It's been, I think, 4 to 5 months before we have gone through this notification.
So what
We
is
just
the
created a notification. Yes, sir.
what is the relationship between email notification and email template?
Sir, email notification with the email template is all about the email scripting part, right? But in email notification, we generally access it without no coding approach. We just create a brief record in the notification table. Uh, that's it, sir. I can't able to recall it.
Okay, no problem. Have you done any integration?
Yes, sir. As I have mentioned now, that we use the integrations of LDAP. to extract the users from other data
Yeah,
sources.
just not LDAP. Any
Okay.
other integration?
No, sir. It's not in touch because there is other team as well.
Okay. So, you know what is a REST or SOAP? Have you heard about these terms?
Yes, sir. I just briefly know about the REST and SOAP. Like REST uses the JSON format, while the SOAP is uses the XML
What is the
format.
use? What is the use of these two things? These two, whatever you say, REST or SOAP.
Sir, REST is something. Uh, it's an API where we could connect with the databases and extract their information.
Okay.
And
Uh,
REST, yes, sir.
yes, yes. Continue.
And REST is a lightweight and fast. Uh, it's like mobile apps calling integration with cloud services from Amazon Web Service or ServiceNow REST APIs, fetching or updating data in web apps. So, like this, we can use the REST.
Okay. Let's suppose, have you created any workflow?
Yes, sir. We have gone through the workflows while creating the catalogs.
Okay. When you created catalog items, you attached workflows.
Right, sir.
So suppose you created a catalog item and you created a workflow. Okay.
Okay.
But when somebody orders that particular catalog item, the workflow is not getting attached. Have you faced something like this? If yes, tell
No,
me.
sir. I haven't faced
So what you
this
will do
type
in
of.
this case? If you see
So,
the RITM is generated,
no,
but the
sir.
workflow is not attached.
Sir, first of all, I'll check the whether the workflow is published or not because usually we check out and we don't without publishing we just attach. So from my end, I'll check whether the workflow is getting properly published or not. And the in the service catalog in the maintain item,
Hmm.
there is an attachment whether the workflow is the file the name is attached properly or not. I'll go through this basic thing.
Okay. Okay. Let's say the workflow file is there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now I want to make some changes in the workflow.
Okay.
Okay. Just forget the previous scenario, just new scenario.
Okay.
There is a catalog item and there is a workflow. Okay.
Okay.
So being a developer, I want to make some changes in the workflow. I just go to workflow admin. I checked out the workflow. Okay. And then, no, not check out. I just edited the workflow. Okay. And
Okay.
I forget to check out. Oh,
Okay.
sorry, I forget to publish. So
Okay.
what will happen in that case?
Sir, first of all, the workflow, the whatever the changes we have made, it can't be seen in the workflow configurations. So, but the data will be saved, right? So, without unless we publish it, we can't see the execution and changes we have made.
Okay, who will see that? Nobody?
Uh, I think admins can see, sir, or the request managers of that particular catalog item, they can access, but the users can't able to see.
Okay, okay, good. What is a virtual agent?
Virtual agent. Yes, sir. It is a most dynamic thing in the service now right now because it is a most opted because it favors the low code approach where just by interacting with the chat bot, users can know the incidents, their ongoing process and everything.
Have you configured it?
Yes, sir. I have configured a few, I think one or two virtual
So
agent
what
topics.
are virtual agent topics? What is a topic?
Yes, sir. Topic is something like a series of execution orders where we define a particular order of uh, like uh, suppose in our organization we have created a virtual agent topic like something is broken. So whenever the user raises any issue, suppose he has raised an issue in previous days, and if you want to get to know about the update of his current incident, then by just typing his incident number, he can able to see all the details of what is his incident status and what he's assigned to, the work notes and everything. Like that, he can able to see, sir.
Okay. Have you worked on flow designers?
Yes, sir. I have gone through it.
Okay. So how do we troubleshoot in flow designer?
In flow designer, sir.
Yes.
I think in the executions, we get to know whether at what step we are stuck in. So it is one of the execution. It is one of the debugging method we use in general. And others, I can't able to remember now.
Okay. Suppose a workflow is triggering, so sorry, a flow is triggering multiple times for the
Okay.
same record update. What you will do in that case?
Sir, we give yes again you give a condition item more specific that it should trigger a particular record rather than triggering the whole. We first check the conditions what we have given.
Okay. What are the advantages of ATF?
ATFs. Sir, as we know, ATFs is something uh, that creates a automation rather than a manual testing. So if we created ATFs on any, suppose if we created ATFs on any incident page, then with the help of ATF, if there is an EA policy, if we want to create on the impact field, when the category is network, so through ATF, we can without executing in the real time, we can just able to know what's the whether the UA policy which we have created on the incident form it is working or not.
Okay, great. Uh, One more thing. Just give me a moment, okay?
Yeah, that's-
Okay. Have you been involved in any upgrade?
upgrades, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
ServiceNow
I have
upgrades.
been whenever actually we are now in Xanadu. Before Xanadu, we used to be in the Washington. Sorry, Uganda. So from upgrading from Uganda to Xanadu, I think it's been 7 to 8 months. I can't even remember now. We have done that.
What you have done in that upgrade?
Yes, sir. Especially the dev instance, from dev to prod instance, as you know, the prod instance has the real-time data. So to upgrade, we have gone through the prediction process and cloning. There is a separate module, I think.
Hmm.
So through that, we have gone through that, sir.
Okay. Have you done any scripting?
Yes, sir. I have designed business rules and some scripting rules as well.
Can you give me one example of uh, query business rule?
Yes, sir. As we know, query business rule is something regarded to querying the table. Suppose uh, if we want to query active users, the users could able to see only the active users who are only active or the users assigned to any particular group. Then we generally use a query business rule, and we can even give the condition as well that only admins can see or ideal users can see.
Okay. So where we use and what is the purpose of this query business rule generally?
Yes, sir. If suppose if an admin wants to restrict the ideal users a specific cap approval group, then with the help of this query business rule, he can do that, sir.
Okay. It's basically for filtering kind of thing.
Right, sir.
Okay. Yes. So I'm done with the discussion. You have any question?
Yes, sir. I want your most valuable review, sir, because I know I haven't performed good.
No, no, don't think like this. Okay. You
Okay.
have provided your response. You have not, it's not that much bad. Okay. But
Okay, sir.
one thing is, uh, few explanations are not, up to the mark that I can say here
Yes, sir.
because it's a lack of hands-on. Okay. So
Okay.
just do some hands-on. Okay.
Right, sir.
Understand the basic topics, core,
Okay.
understand the core of the topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is a business rule? What actually the business rule is doing, and some basics like I asked you about the execution order. So
Right,
these
sir.
are the very basic things you should know which thing will run first and then which is second.
Okay.
Okay, and try to increase number of modules in HRSD also. Go deep in HRSD and at least understand the basics like what is HR catalog, what is HR services,
Yes, sir.
okay, what are HR skills, why
Okay,
we
sir.
need HR skills. So just ask these questions by yourself
Okay, sir, I
and
have a
be
small doubt,
ready.
sir.
Yes.
Especially in the integrations, we haven't gone through multiple. I mean, with only we use LDAP and JDBC, but we haven't used much, sir. So, what should I do in this case, sir, when they ask about the integrations thing?
So basically, integration is something like this LDAP is all is fine. It's a very automated thing, right?
Okay,
You need means you should not do it does not have much scope to understand or to do practice. It's very straightforward thing.
okay, sir.
But to understand integration properly, go through web services, understand what are web services. Okay,
Okay,
understand what is REST, what is SOAP, more specifically REST.
okay, sir.
Okay, and then in REST, understand how to test it. Everything is available in PDI. Okay,
Okay, right, sir.
very various examples you can see. You can even watch out my channel, ServiceNow 911.
Yes, sir. I have
There
been
I
a regular user of your channel, sir.
Oh, that's great. So if you see there, I have provided various integrations and web services examples in the very beginning of my channel.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Right, sir.
so go through it
Okay,
and then create one small example, create one small project in your
okay,
PDI. And then
okay,
once you understand the basic, all other integrations are the same. Okay,
okay,
you
sir.
just need to understand what is REST, what is URL, there, what is authentication, what is endpoint, and all these things. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so just go
Sir,
through it. When somebody
sir,
asks
sir.
integration, they are expecting these things. They are not expecting LDAP every time.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Sir, a small favor, sir.
Yes,
As you know, you have my resume. Is there anything that I should improve in my resume, sir?
the resume is
Can
fine.
you please
It's
suggest?
very good. But
Yes,
again,
sir.
if you work more, if you add more things based on your what you practice, you can do so. Okay,
Okay, sir.
resume is
So I
fine.
should add some. Yes, sir.
Yes, add one or two projects. Okay, right now you have only one project here. You can add more projects.
Okay, sir. But I think the one page will be good now, sir, rather than 2 pages of
No,
resume.
no, 2 pages enough. 2 pages also not bad. If
Okay, sir.
I used to create my resume, I am 15 years of experience.
Okay,
How
sir.
can I submit all these things in one page, right?
Right, right, sir.
So at least have 2 pages, at least have two or three projects
Okay, sir.
properly defined in which you have different roles and responsibilities.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Definitely, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
one more thing, sir.
yeah.
As we know, the present job market, do you can you suggest me some few things so that I'm in a notice period right now, sir. So I can't able to get the job. How can I make it happen, sir? Can you give me some tips regarding Naukri.com or anything?
Yeah, yeah. So what I'm saying, LinkedIn is one of the best thing here. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
just
sir.
expand your reach to different people or ServiceNow people
Okay, sir.
and look for various jobs which are available on LinkedIn.
Okay, sir.
Yes, open that open to work just setting so that people notice that you are open to work. You know this
Okay, sir.
one setting is there where you can opt for open to work, right, in LinkedIn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so and then you can reach out to the people. Just look at the uh, openings which are there, which are suitable for you, and then
Okay,
you
sir.
can reach out to the people who have posted those openings, or you can reach out to someone who has in the same company, okay, who
Yes,
is
sir.
in service now via LinkedIn only professionally, and ask
Okay, sir.
them to provide referral. Okay, something like that. This will also help you.
Yes, sir.
And again, rest all things are very simple. Just keep your resume active in various job portals. You may get
Okay, sir.
calls because people are desperately looking for professionals in service now.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
so these
Okay,
are the
sir.
basic things.
Yeah, sir.
Rest all depends on your skills and how much practice you do and all these things.
Sir, after a few days, can I again interact with you, sir?
For mock interview,
Yes, sir.
yes, just focus on all this point, update your resume, and then we can have one more mock
Yes,
interview.
sir. Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for taking this initiative and guiding us, sir.
No problem. All the best and
Yeah.
see you soon. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye, sir.